Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 11 opener. Module 11 is all about dividing with whole numbers in unit fractions. So our problem says, which cup should I use? You want to fill the large container so that it has more than 5 cups of water, but less than 5 and 1/3 cups of water. You can choose only one of the 3 glasses to fill the container, and each glass must be full each time. You can fill and empty each glass only 8 times. Complete the table. So, they already have it started, so if we have a half cup, if we do it 4 times, it'd be 4 over 2 equals 2. If we did it 5 times, we'd have 5 over 2, which would equal 2 and 1/2, because 2 goes in 5 2 times with 1 left over. 6 over 2 would equal 3. 7 over 2 would equal 3 and 1/2. And 8 over 2 will equal 4. So if we have 7/8, if we have 4 fills, 7 times 4 is 28. So that's how the 28/8, which is 3 and 4/8. And then if we have 5 fills, we do 5 times 7 is 35/8, which would equal 4 and 3/8. If we have 6 fills, that's going to be 42/8, which is going to equal 5 and 2/8. If we have 7 fills, that's going to be 49/8, which is going to equal 6 and 1/8. If we have 8, that's going to be 56/8, which equals 7. And for the last one, if we have 5 times 2/3, that's going to give us 10/3, which would equal 3 and 1/3. 6 would be 12/3, which would equal 4. 7 would be 14/3, which would equal 4 and 2/3. And then 8 would be 16/3, which would equal 5 and 1/3. So it says, which glass would you choose and how many times would you need to fill the glass? Well, you'd pick the only ones that have more than 5. So it wouldn't be 1/2. And so 2/3 has more than 5, but it has 5 and 1/3. We want to do less than that, so it doesn't work. So we'd have to have the 7/8 cup. And then we would want to fill it 6 fills. So then it says, how did you solve the problem? Well, I completed the table and found a value between 5 and 5 and 1/3. That is all for today's lesson. And remember, in order to be a math person, all I have to do is be a person and do math.